Okay, I'm here with Ronnie, mechanic on Wheelz, basically is how it's pronounced, and you can see how it's spelled, and I'll put a lower third down here. And by the way, folks, if you're watching this, please like, comment, and share this video because these are the kinds of businesses that we want to have around when we need them. Sometimes you need something fixed at the house, and this gentleman will come out and do that. So give me the quick rundown of what your business is all about. You've been doing this for 4 years. What do you generally do?
So we provide a convenience factor. We'll work on any off-road equipment, small engines. Some people have lawnmowers, snow blowers, things they just can't load in their cars and just take to a garage and drop off. So we provide the convenience aspect of it that they don't have to worry about it. A lot of our customers have specialty cars. They don't want to leave it sit outside, fear of getting damaged, getting rained on. They don't have to let their vehicles leave their garage. We'll come right to their home. We'll take care of it where it is. They can see it getting worked on. So it takes a lot of fears out of the process.
And we're going to talk to, we're here at one of your customers' locations right now, and we're going to talk to him. And this is a beautiful setting. I'm going to cut in a couple of clips. Got a lake down here and everything. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and go in the garage here. And by the way, how many of your customers have a garage like this that you actually do the work in their garage?
Aside from physical breakdowns, a lot of the customers actually do have the garages. A lot of our customers want to help or want to be shown how to actually work on their vehicles. So I'd say probably 50%.
Very good. Okay, let's go in and take a look. Okay, I'm here with Victor. This is a beautiful place you have.
Thank you.
And tell us what we have behind us.
This is a 79 restored CJ5 Jeep, and I have Ronnie over here putting a new steering column in for me and some running boards today.
And is this the first time he's done work for you?
No. I see him as much as I see my wife sometimes. He's over here all the time. Yeah, I have him do a lot for me.
All right. And what are some of the main reasons why you use Ronnie?
Well, I have a couple classic cars that I can't take to a shop and leave them set outside because I would be worried about rain or door dents or things like that. And Ronnie will come to my home and work on them here in my garage. And so I don't have to deliver them anywhere, and I don't have to go pick them up, and I don't have to worry about any damage while they're not around me. So that's why I have him come and do the work here.
So it's really convenient, and I'm assuming since you're a repeat customer, he's done really high-quality work for you.
I wouldn't trust any of my stuff with anybody else but him.
Well, there you go, folks. Again, like, comment, and share this video because if you want services like this around Frederick County, we need to help support them. So like, comment, and share this video, and when you need something fixed around the house, call Ronnie and he will fix it for you. Okay, we were just talking about a scenario that a lot of people might not think about where they have a no-start situation, and so they've got a vehicle that has some kind of a problem, and you can come out, get it started, figure out what it is, and fix it. That's also saving them on a tow.
That's correct. So a lot of times it may be something as simple as a dead battery. By the time you pay a tow company to tow it out, then have to pay a shop to do the diagnosis, we can do it on the spot. It just saves, it may save a day or so just in the holding up of getting your vehicle back on the road. So
Sure, and that tow is not inexpensive.
No, they're not. And generally the tow itself may cover the labor of just us coming out and getting it taken care of on the spot.
Also, you got to wait around for the tow truck to get there and all that. So you're coming out and you're just going to take care of it.
You're paying for the tow in addition to paying for the diagnosis. That's correct.
Good point. So one more reason to support a local business like this, and you have something around the house needs fixing, just give them a call. They'll come on out and take care of it. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoy local content like this, please like, comment, and share this video. If you own a local business, please join us.